video every Saturday. Outdoors, back here with another video, and today we're doing another creek walk. Mom's driving us over and dropping us off there, and then we're going to walk up the creek a bit and then walk home.
Alright, see you guys later. Alright, this is where we're starting. Find the creek. There's the creek. It's a nice size creek. I said it's a nice size creek.
Do you think that double my boots?
It will be in places. Yep. I have to watch. Remember the golden rule about creek walks in the winter, right?
Don't fall and don't go over your boots.
Right. We always do creek walks up the creek, so that way if you're doing a creek walk down a creek, then the water's always murky. If you do a creek walk up the creek, it's not murky and you can see cool things. Beautiful day out here. It's February the 2nd.
It kind of looks
right?
like that. It kind of looks like summer, kind of.
Groundhog Day.
Yeah.
We're doing a creek walk. It's almost 50 degrees, sunny, windy, but beautiful. Tarzan, cherry tree. A piece of, like a bowl or a cup or something.
Don't you see that from the other video? Remember that the grass is white and this brown?
Probably it was maybe an old flower pot or something. Looks like coon tracks.
Some type of shoe. It's a shoe. It's one of those.
The sole of a shoe.
Yeah.
You never know what you'll find on a creek walk.
Okay, that probably takes number 1 for weirdest things found on our creek walk. Put it in my bag.
This is how bottles were when I was little. Before they had plastic, they had these old Mountain Dew bottles like that, and you took them back to the store and they paid you money back. Looks like that every day. Hold it up and you see the holes in it. Cool.
It looks in the hole here.
Yeah.
It looks like a huge dice kind of from the holes in it.
It's cool. More bricks in this creek than we've ever saw before. Oh, hubcap. What's that off of? Read it. Ooh, a Cadillac. Seriously?
Don't push me, Dad. There's so many holes.
Cadillac motor car division. William, you found a Cadillac hubcap, dude. Oh, Cadillac's a very expensive car. Look at that. Cadillac motor car division. Davis Savage is the place that made that brick. What's this brick say?
Dad, look at what white it says.
NO2 wedge, maybe. Number 2 wedge. Oh yeah, see it's a wedge. It's shaped like a wedge. Number 2 wedge. Huh.
Dad.
That's cool.
Dad.
They use that to build these charcoal temples. You'll see one up here. The reason there's so many bricks in this creek. An old charcoal dome. An old charcoal furnace.
Was it a big dome?
Yeah, it was a round dome, and in the middle they made a fire and they burnt stuff in it. Don't get ever close to that wall. It looks pretty unstable. Might fall on you. It's very heavy. That's where all these bricks were coming from, and all the wedges, and so it was made out of Davis Savage brick. Man, we got some different ones here. PCP company number 1.
Was it a guy that loved?
Ooh, don't get near this now. It looks like an old well. Yeah, it is. An old well. That's probably really deep. Don't get near that.
Here. I want to do some.
all the
That's like
mortars fell eventually worked its way out. It's really cool. Look how they made it though, guys. Service brick. This one says PCP #1. And this one says Rich Portsmouth. So that brick must have came from Portsmouth. This one, what's this one say? This one says #2 key. It's like a puzzle, so they knew where you put a #2 key, where you put a #2 wedge. Big log jam. It's an old highway marker. 279. It probably marks a culvert or a bridge.
it's a turn.
A raccoon sat right here on this log, watching the water go by. We just found a piece of a Chevrolet truck, I believe.
Wait,
Yeah, we found the interior of a Chevrolet
right there's the gas.
truck. There's the gas pedal and the steering wheel.
You think it clashed?
I don't know. Never know what you'll find in a creek. What you find?
Walk. It looks like a lava walk.
It's cool. A piece of 2-inch PVC pipe. Good place to catch some minnows when it's hot.
We found some deer tracks and some baby tracks right here.
Baby
Probably
tracks?
from that thing.
Maybe from like a kindergartner?
Yep.
Don't fall! Don't fall! Orange Justice.
Or justice is easy because you'll move your feet. Hi. Oh, wait.
Little fungus.
Fungi.
Mushrooms. Leave them there. Don't tear them up. They're cool.
Oh, they poisonous?
Could be. I don't know my mushrooms.
Big old piece of pipe.
Clay tile.
Yeah. Goes all the way to the end. Hey, William! Hey, Wyatt! Hey! What's up? What's up?
Can you see each other?
Yeah!
Here, I want to get video. Say something, Willie.
Hello!
Crow died in February in the creek. Right there. See him right there?
Yeah, I see him. I'm just scared.
Find on a creek walk. Let me see, Wyatt. Nice one.
Maybe it goes with that tool we found last
It's
year.
a metric.
Maybe it goes with that tool we found last year.
No, it's not a toy. It's a wrench. It's
Can
a
I
tool.
see it?
Keep it. You want to keep that?
Put it in my backpack.
Look at all the minnows. William's on an island
Wait, for real?
in between two creeks.
I have an idea. This big old pipe right there. Me and Wyatt are going in it. Dad's staying up there. Look at this thing. It's jammed up a bit. Well, I can just barely almost stand up. Whoa. It's crazy. It could be deep over there. I can hear Dad up there pounding on it. We're going through. Wyatt, you good back there? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. What if a big Ow, go ahead. What if a big wave comes? Oh, we made it out.
Made it back to Slab Hill, guys. Only a half mile to home.
Wait, it says hit the subscribe button for more great videos. Hit the bell to be notified when we post a new video on the 3W Outdoors channel.